Whoa, messy.
How confident are you that what Daddy told you is the truth?
Oil.
What are we making?
There was that inside the water. Wow.
We are making Zara's soba
Yes.
dipping sauce.
Yes.
We're going to start with dried kelp.
Yes. Sorry, cow. Well, thank you. Well, thank you.
You're welcome.
Well, thank you. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. What am I making?
We're going to add
Water?
1 cup of water.
1 cup of water.
Bonito flakes.
Yeah, bonito flakes.
Ethan, can you not touch the kelp?
Okay.
Thank you. Don't touch now.
Sister, what's that?
It's called bonito flakes. Hold it. I'll use your left hand then. Hold it. Use 2 of these. Okay? Because there's a lot of strong taste already in here. Pour it in. Gently. Okay, 1 more. Okay, I'll do 3 of these. Enjoy.
Okay. Look at this.
1 more. I can count. 1, 2, 3, 4,
There's out there. There's out there.
7,
There's out there.
8.
No, not out there. Not there.
Okay, pour it in.
Thank you. Water.
Sake.
Like sake.
But sake does have a lot of water in it.
Yeah.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll adjust the taste later, okay? We're gonna cook this.
It's my turn.
Let's make tempura dipping sauce.
Yes. It's mine.
This is yours. You hold this for now.
Okay.
We're gonna start with 3/4 cup of water. Cold water. Don't move, okay? You moved. Don't move. So 4 of these is that. Pour it in. Okay. 1, 2, 3,
My turn.
1, 2,
You.
3, 4. Okay. And then we're gonna have 3 tablespoons of.
It's over there. Okay.
Okay. Is it the same one again? Don't move. Okay, I'm gonna do 3 of these too. Okay, gentle. Hold it straight. Hold it. Hold it.
Not water.
Okay, hold it straight. Okay, one more.
This is oil.
Cook dashi.
Daddy,
Yeah, then you can eyeball it, okay?
my turn.
There's 3/4 of a cup of water here, so that much.
Really?
You want to stir it up?
It's very simple.
That's pretty good.
Yes. Do you want to try to?
You want to heat it up, okay?
Okay. I might eat too.
You want some too?
Yes. Good.
Good?
Thanks.
Okay, kid approved.
This is snow. It won't go hard to Let's go. Oh, what's this thing?
Panko breaded dredging.
Oh, what's that?
We have seasoned corn,
Yes.
starch, egg, and your panko.
Yes.
Okay, let's get started, shall we?
Okay. They will put here.
I will.
Muffin. Thank you. You want to give my muffin? Please.
Wait, that's my muffin. Okay,
Oh. Do you want to try again?
we will. Let's start here first. Start here first.
Okay. Whoa, that's great.
That's great. Then we're gonna put into the liquid.
Daddy, give me.
No, you don't touch it. You watch.
No, now, not watch. Not watch.
Press a little bit, make sure it's all in. Might pull it out.
Yes. They will have dirty.
My hands are dirty? Yeah, they will be dirty.
Messy, Daddy. Messy eggs.
This is the cod, Ethan.
Yes.
You know this is cod?
Yes.
How sure are
Oh, my hand dirty. Whoa, messy.
you? How confident are you that what Daddy told you is the truth?
It's so messy.
It's messy?
This too far away.
Okay, then don't touch it.
There, also there.
Whoa, Daddy's getting a bit messy too. Fuck, we kazabu soba.
Look inside.
Can you say soba?
Soba. Pour.
1 bundle,
Yes.
2 bundles.
Yes.
Do you think we'll have 3 bundles tonight?
Yes.
Let's make 3 bundles tonight, okay?
1 bottle? No, 1 bottle? Why?
Daddy's gonna go cook this. Time for food.
Okay. Okay. Did you want to eat? There's a fish. Please.
Almost. We got more stuff coming. It's hot. Let's dip some first. Ooh, 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 ooh.
Oh.
You want to eat this first? Okay, fine. Let's do that. It's darker.
Did you want to eat?
Okay, give it a try and tell Daddy if you like it or not.
Good.
Is it good?
Yes.
Is it yummy?
Yes.
Can Daddy have a bite? Okay.
Oh.
Want some noodles?
Yes.
Okay. I'll grab a little bit of seaweed.
You want some?
Yeah. Want to bite of noodles?
Put it here.
I can't.
You want dip?
Dip?
Mm.
Daddy's gonna have a bite.
Good.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Say bye-bye.
No hot.
Grab a little wasabi on the side.
It was very spicy. It's very spicy.
You want some?
No. No, take this one. Take this one.
This is for batter. It's for batter.
Take this one.
We start here.
No.
We start.
No.
Don't move. Don't put sugar there. Don't move. You're moving. It's a moving target. Don't move.
Don't mess it up.
Hold on. No. This is danger. You're gonna spill it. You're gonna spill it everywhere. Not here. No, you can't help right now.
I'm gonna help you.
It dissolves.
They put here.